How to see all saved passwords in Google Chrome 2025 updated. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to check all your saved passwords in Google Chrome, whether you're on a computer or mobile. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for Autofill on the left side, and then click on Passwords. You can also open it directly by typing chrome/settings/passwords in the address bar and pressing Enter. Here you'll see a list of all your saved passwords. Each website that Chrome has saved will appear here. To view any password, click on the small eye icon next to it. Chrome will ask for your computer password, and once you enter it, the password will become visible. If you want to copy or delete any password, click on the three dots next to that entry and choose Copy Password or Remove. Now, if you'd like to see or back up all your passwords at once, you can export them. Just click the three dots at the top of the Saved Passwords section and choose Export Passwords. Exporting. Remember, the exported file is not encrypted. It's plain text, so keep it safe or delete it after use. Now let's see how to do this on your phone. Open the Chrome app on your Android device, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, and then tap Passwords. You'll see all your saved logins here as well. Tap any one of them, and then tap the eye icon to reveal the password. Chrome will ask for your phone unlock code or fingerprint before showing it. If you're using an iPhone, open Chrome, tap the three dots at the bottom right, go to Settings, and then select Passwords. You can view saved passwords the same way, just authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID when asked. And if you want to see all passwords saved to your Google account, visit passwords.google.com and sign in. You'll find every password synced from Chrome on all your devices in one place. That's it. Now you know exactly how to check all your saved passwords in Google Chrome on both desktop. Comment and subscribe to How to Mastery for more useful tutorials.